Good morning, Rax. Today is Thursday, May 28th, and today is National Hamburger Day. That is not to be confused with National Cheeseburger Day, which is in September. What do we have here? Three big things. Mindful activity for you is meditation and focusing on one thing at a time. Boy, I think I could do that for myself as well. There's some key steps you can look over and also check on Counselors Connect. Hey, the awards for the third market period were posted. And here, congratulations to all these students that were on High Honor Roll and all of these students that were on Honor Roll. Very nice by many of them. And our most improved students down here in the green. So congratulations to all of you. And final projects are coming for most classes, maybe not like Phys Ed, but this could allow some of you to pass the year, even if you've been struggling. Maybe not you. Maybe you're doing just fine. You're going to be okay. But maybe tell somebody that's like, I'm going to fail that class anyways. Hey, you got another chance. Final projects are going to be coming out here over this last month of school to get through the year one way or another. Happy birthday goes out to Mariah Simmons. And that's all we've got for today. Have a great Thursday, Rax.